Oh my god, I'm excited. Guys, the new zombie update of Animal Company just finally released. Now, and we're back in Animal Company. So I play every single game just for just no reason. I just like to play them sometimes to make videos again. Yeah. So the new update is actually the zombie. Oh my god, this looks so amazing. Oh, and even the duck. Yo, that's crazy. I bet Bashy's gonna buy that stuff for true money. Or like, I don't know. And now it's time to buy a gun. So let's go. Zombies. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? There's so many zombies! So we're gonna hurry up with the flashlight! Oh my god, look at the zombies! They look crazy! Are they coming at the back? Oh shoot! No, they're coming at the back. But they're still. Let me just say that. Okay, where is... Did I throw the rifle? I think so. Yep, I did. Oh! Another rifle. The boxes. What? Oh shoot! Oh, there's a big one! There's even more zombies in the sewers, and they're even coming in through here. Another ammo for the rifle, and another ammo for the rifle. Okay, so I guess we need this rifle again. Okay, it's full. Whoa! I don't know, this big guy just literally came through it.
Huh?
There's no way. If they also come in mines, I'm literally cooked. They also literally come in mines. There's no way. Dude. If I die, I'm gonna lose my rifle, bro. Like, that's not good. That's actually not gonna be good. Okay, let's take our flashlight first. We only need to see in the dark. Okay. I don't know if Did I press restart? Oh shit. Oh, dog! You're not a dog. Okay, I'm getting revived right now. There's no way. Do we have to buy another rifle? After I think about it. No way! Okay, I got my rifle right here. It's with ammo. No, it's not with ammo, so we have to like reload it. Before that, let's get the boxes that are actually right into the zombies. Okay, so I literally like killed. Would you guys stop following me? Okay, let's go. Okay, did I lose my other box? Is that it? There's no way. That's actually...